Hello everyone! So recently GoPro revealed their new GoPro Hero 11 Black camera. While not much has changed on the outside, it's all about what's inside of this camera that makes the difference. So in this video guys, I'm going to show you all the new features from GoPro Hero 11 Black, showing you real-life examples of what I managed to capture with it, and hopefully at the end of this video it's gonna be easy for you to make a decision whether or not this camera is right for you. So what exactly GoPro Hero 11 Black has to offer?
GoPro Hero 11 Black has a new 8x7 sensor that opens up some new quite exciting possibilities for the camera. With the same video file, you can decide if you want to use it for Instagram, TikTok and other social media. The video will cover the entire screen of your phone without any black bars. However, you can still upload the same video to YouTube with a wide perspective. With 8x7 sensor, you don't have to choose anymore, but you can just share it anywhere.
Since GoPro Hero 11 Black has more field of view to play with, it can take Hypersmooth stabilization to a whole new level.
Hypersmooth 5.0 comes with 360 degrees horizon lock feature. Now, no matter how you move the camera, the horizon will stay perfectly level with no restrictions. You can even turn your camera upside down and it's gonna work.
Honestly, this feature is insane and believe me, you don't need a gimbal anymore. If you love recording travel content, something cinematic, or simply you want to record some follow-up shots, then 360 degrees horizon lock gonna get you silky smooth videos. Hypersmooth 5.0 also has a new feature called Autoboost. When you select it, the camera will intelligently decide how much stabilization it really needs to stabilize your footage, depending on the intensity of your activity. Yet everything happens automatically and you have no control over how much it's gonna crop in.
Thanks to the new image sensor, GoPro Hero 11 Black has a completely new field of view called Hyperview. With Hyperview, Hero 11 can record a video using full 8x7 aspect ratio, then squishes it down to 16:9 video, giving us extremely wide perspective. Hyperview gonna be amazing for all sorts of POV shots. When you attach the camera to your body, helmet, etc. It's extremely useful when you want to record immersive, hands-free shots showing as much action as possible. Yet there is some significant distortion, especially on the edges, so I would only use it for POV shots.
Another quite significant feature is that GoPro Hero 11 Black has 10-bit color. If you edit your videos, then there's gonna be simply so much more information in the shadows and highlights to play with. Unfortunately, 10-bit color is a really demanding setting and I cannot show you any examples because it's too much for my computer to handle. So I guess it's time for an upgrade.
I'm also quite excited about 3 new night modes such as Star Trails, Light Painting and Vehicle Light Trails. It just looks so awesome and you can get so much creative with these. It seems like GoPro really fine-tuned all these settings, so you only have to press a record button. The camera software does all the hard work for you, so you don't have to spend any time editing in its software.
Now, thanks to the new image sensor, GoPro Hero 11 Black can take 27 megapixel photos in both JPEG and RAW. And if you prefer shooting videos, you can still frame grab a 24 megapixel photo out of it. So, in other words, you don't have to worry so much about capturing the right moment and still get some good quality photo.
GoPro introduced a new Easy mode, which basically sets everything for you. You only have like 4 basic options to choose from, so you don't have to worry about ISO, white balance, exposure, etc. I believe it's gonna help you enjoy your activities without worrying so much about proper settings, etc. Additionally, if you don't want to edit your videos, then GoPro Hero 11 Black can automatically edit it for you once you upload your footage to the cloud. This feature is only available if you have GoPro subscription. So if you don't know how to edit your videos or don't have time for it, it might be a great way to quickly share your videos to friends or on social media. And lastly, Hero 11 Black comes with a new Enduro Battery by default. It's the improved version that offers better battery performance overall, it's more reliable in cold environment and doesn't overheat that fast. These batteries are fully compatible with Hero 10 and 9, so if you are interested in it, I will leave a link in the description.
Alright guys, so these are all the new things that you should know about GoPro Hero 11 Black. Personally, I'm quite excited about 360 degrees horizon lock and 3 new night modes, but what do you think about it? Which of these features do you like the most? Let me know about it in the comment section below. Alright guys, so if you want to learn more about GoPro action cameras, watch some accessory reviews, etc., then please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you guys in the next one.